Alright, today friends I'm cutting a piece of aluminum. I think that's what it is. Got this from Home Depot and we're using this as a backsplash. It's actually a little dramatic for the kitchen, so I'm going to use the back part. But what it is a basically a piece of metal there. I tried to grind through it. I tried cutting it through with a Dremel. Yeah, it wasn't working. So I'm going to show you what I used to cut this with. As you can see, it's pretty thick. So maybe a 1/16 of an inch, but the Dremel was taking forever. It's basically just scratching it. So what I did is, I'm going to show you guys what I did. So I laid down a piece of cardboard on the bottom, and there we go. Alright, so I have marked my spots here with a little marker where I need to cut it. Now you want to make sure, if you're doing this, not only use some really good goggles, not just safety glasses, but you want safety goggles that encompass your eyes. So I'm using these all the way around. There's nothing going to get up in your eyes, okay? And I'm also using hearing protectors. Let me get this on my camera mount here, and we're going to walk you guys through this. So give me 1 second. All right, so I'm going to show you what I did here. So I got my 2 marks I want to cut this on. Get a nice straight edge, and you want to score your metal. Right, so I took another piece of cardboard and I'm setting it on top of this, right about there. All right, so now what I'm going to do, make sure I got these lined up. And I'm going to put my knee down on there. Take my screwdriver and just score this so we got a nice scratch on here. Alright, there is a nice little scratch on there. Now what I'm going to do, basically I have my cardboard here, and it's pretty thick, about a ½ inch. And I have a skill saw. Now this is a steel blade, I believe. And like I said, I was using a grinder. Sorry about that. Different stuff to try to cut through this. This puppy works really good. My blade is jacked up anyways, so I'm not using a brand new blade on this, but it's an older blade. It's pretty dull. Anyways, let me get my eye protection on and my hearing protection on. And I set the blade so make sure it goes through here, but not all the way to the concrete there, I believe. So I'm going to now, I put the cardboard on top also so I can slide it along, and also if I'm sitting on this, it's not going to mess it up too much. I'm trying to not scratch my surface up here. Alright, I'm just going to start, and I want to start a little on that side of the line, and then I have to come back and I cut through it without messing up. I want to keep sure that line is nice and straight. So here we go. Just kidding. It helps if you plug it in, right? Alright, so let's plug that in. Take 2. Here we go. Alright. Okay. So now that that is cut through there like butter, so it might be a little warm up there. What I can do now is you can take a grinder, but let's see if you guys can see. You have all this metal right here, and you just kind of not so sharp. But anyways, you guys get the picture. I'm probably going to use actually my grinder, get that all figured out. Make sure it's not all sharp on there. But that was the easiest way I found to cut through this backsplash that I'm going to use. So, yeah. And it's going to turn out pretty nice, I'm thinking. That side is nice and subdued. And I'll be making a video of my install on the hood too, so you're going to see the whole thing when it's done. So that's it. Let me touch up the edge a little bit. But I just want to show you guys how to cut through this, because I was having a heck of a time trying to do it. And yeah, I tried my Dremel, I tried my grinder, I tried those things, so it didn't work so well. Anyways, thanks for watching, my friends, and we'll see you next time.